Right, well, good morning, peeps. As you can see, today we have a Trackstar camper with a slotting awning that runs right round here, which is very rubbish. We're going to be putting another awning on using these awning brackets, mounting plates here and here. As you can see, they're at different levels. We've had to make up our own brackets. Well, we templated them and got them specially made. We'll be fitting them first. Let's see how we go. There's the brackets we've got professionally made, so we can install them up on here because these are at different heights. So we can put an XTM awning on, and Mum and Dad have got a tent that goes under the awning to give them extra room. Follow along for installation techniques. Got them all clean. You just wanting some round the bolt holes, or Dad?
Yeah.
Do you want some round the bolt holes?
And we'll push the bolt in, new bolt,
Right.
and then just put a wee bit around it.
Why don't you just do it round it now? I don't know. Oh, this is tight. Why is that not coming off? What have you left on to get the battery flat? Fuck. What's wrong now? Let me see. I don't know.
What's coming on?
You got the master switch on?
Everything was on, I think. None of this is working.
You get for leaving things on. This elastic gets everywhere, by the way. Yeah. That's why it's got black written on the label. Now we've got a socket here. We can get a socket for you now. Lovely weather. Bloody duck. Right. Socket spanner. This one. You need to go inside with this socket. You want washers, then these nuts on again. Right.
Right.
Just relax, I'll fix it in a minute. Right. What one?
Bottom.
Yeah.
That's the wrong side.
It's,
Oh, it's still going tight.
well, it's too long, obviously.
Oh, but screwed it on that far.
Do the other one, top one. Take that one back out. Right, that'll do. They're too long.
Really short ones. Right.
Aye. There's plenty. I do understand why you want to put longer ones in anyway.
They're sort of too short.
Right, go for it.
Right.
You want to replace the top one again? Right, take it out.
They're off.
Right, it's off.
Slacking the bottom one.
You're away the wrong way, that's why. Shove the bolt through. Get on there. Right.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And I've brought 10mm spanner or a socket.
I'll go and get them.
Yeah, so these brackets we had to measure up with thin bendable metal from Bunnings, just so we get the right shape, right size, and we got them made up with 5mm flat bar, cut and welded. My team that's recommended just over the road from Trackstar Campers in Perth, who makes the brackets. Only cost $100, so not too bad. And we just got to install this awning. We've already tried the tent, so the tent fits. Once I've done the awning, I'll need to have a look at the electrics in this, see what's happening. Hopefully it's just a fuse internally. The old man probably left a light on or something. We shall see. And the awning we'll be fitting is going to be an XTM 2 by 2.5. We've got the 2.5 by 2 tent that goes under the awning, just to give them extra room because we've just got a bed inside. You all good?
Right. Right.
Yeah, you having the socket or you having the rat spanner?
Oh, nice one. Oh, for fuck's sake.
You're on camera, stop swearing.
Right.
Yeah, you'll need your... Before we tighten anything, we'll need to get it in the right position,
Yeah.
because these bolts would have moved.
I know what's wrong with electrics.
We'll figure that out in a minute. We'll get this finished first. That's about roughly the same position.
Yeah.
Just tighten them up.
And we'll make it fully tight.
What for?
Oh, is it in the middle?
It's not in the middle, but Well, have a look for yourself. Who made the brackets again? Who got the brackets made?
Right up there.
What company? What was his
Oh,
name? AB Fabrication. Stop swearing. You're on video.
Couldn't watch it, I said, "Mark."
What did I just say? Obviously this video is not going to be made for children. Are you happy with it? I'm not going to measure tape. The bolt's hardly moved. So. Yeah, should be fine. Right. Right. Done. No good. Thanks for watching the Hilarity. Sorry for this.